I've got 5 cool gadgets under $50 that I actually use every day. They make your desk setup better, add some smart home tricks, and even keep your screens and lenses clean. Whether you work from home, study, or just like fun tech, there's probably something here you'll want. Let's check them out. Alright, first up is the 𝐬𝐸𝐞𝐿ayout keyboard wrist support. If you spend hours typing, whether it's emails, coding, gaming, or editing, your wrist can really take a beating. Over time, that awkward angle from a flat keyboard can cause discomfort or even lead to repetitive strain injury, which I used to have. That's where this comes in. This little clip lifts your keyboard at an ergonomic 8 to 12 degree angle, putting your wrists in a more natural, relaxed position. And it's not some cheap plastic, it's actually made of sturdy aluminum so it lasts. The silicone grips on the bottom, they make sure it doesn't slide around even on glass tests. I've been using mine for a couple of weeks now, and honestly, it's surprising how quickly your hands feel the difference. Typing feels lighter and my wrists don't ache for after long editing sessions. Installation is instant, just clip it on, no tools, no sticky pads, nothing permanent. If you're using a mechanical keyboard like I do, this is a game changer because it adds that incline without needing a giant wrist rest. And if you travel, it's small enough to throw in a laptop bag. Plus, at under $30, it's way cheaper than most ergonomic solutions. So for under $30 for real ergonomic relief, it's a no-brainer. Alright, next up, the Broadlink RM Mini 3 Universal Remote Hub. You've got older devices at home, like an, older TV, stereo, or air conditioner even, that still relies on those infrared remotes. This is your ticket to making them smart without replacing them. It works like this. You plug it in, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and then use the Broadlink app to teach it, the commands from your existing remote. Once that's done, you can control that device from your phone anywhere in your house, or even remotely when you're not home. Want to turn the AC on before you walk in the door? Done. Forgot to turn off the TV? Just tap the app. And if you connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant, you can control everything with your voice. Like Alexa, turn on the TV, and it just works. The range is surprisingly good. I have mine tucked way on, above or on top of the coffee maker actually, and it still controls devices across the room. Granted, there's nothing blocking it. The setup takes maybe 5 minutes, and it's way less intimidating than it sounds. If you think about it, this $25 device can save you from buying hundreds of dollars worth of new appliances because it just makes the older ones smart. And unlike most smart home gadgets, there's no subscription fee. Once you buy it, that's it. So for $25, you can bring almost any IR device into the smart home era. Alright, gadget number 3, the 𝐧𝐞𝐞𝐝 USB-C magnetic charging dock. If you've ever run out of mouse battery in the middle of a project, you know how annoying it is to dig for a cable, plug it in, and work with a wire hanging off your mouse. This dock eliminates that hassle. It comes with a tiny magnetic plate you stick to the underside of your mouse. When you're done for the day, you just drop the mouse on the dock, snap, and it starts charging instantly. No cables, no searching, no bending over to plug something in. It uses USB-C PD, so charging is quick and efficient. And because it's magnetic, you don't have to line it up perfectly, it just clicks into place. For under $20, it's the kind of small upgrade that makes your setup look cleaner and function better. I also like that it works for other small devices that fit the plate, like certain wireless headsets. So it's not just for one gadget. Alright, number 4. We have the Switchbot Smart Button Pusher. This thing is pure genius for people who want smart home convenience without replacing their appliances. It's a little battery-powered arm that physically presses a button for you. Stick it next to your coffee maker's power button and you can start brewing from your bed. Put it on your light switch and you can control it from your phone or voice assistant. By itself, it works over Bluetooth, but if you add the Switchbot hub, you can control it over Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world. I've used it to turn on my espresso machine in the morning, so it's preheated when I get to the kitchen. It does kind of make you lazy though. Setup is painless. Peel the backing, stick it next to the button, and adjust the arm in the app. And the battery lasts for about 2 years or so you won't be constantly charging it. So for any legacy device, now it's smart and it's fun to use. Alright, last but not least, the Kuvrd Waterbear Universal Screen Cleaner. This one's for my fellow camera users, phone photographers, and anyone who can't stand fingerprints on their screens. It's a compact refillable cleaning kit that's safe for glass and plastic, no harsh chemicals, just distilled water, so you don't have to worry about damaging coatings on your lenses or displays. The microfiber tip wipes away smudges, and the built-in brush is perfect for dust in corners or around camera bezels. I keep one in on my phone right here. I also have one on my laptop, and at under $10, it's a cheap investment to keep your expensive tech looking brand new. So for under $10 for spotless screens and lenses, yeah, you do need this. Alright, and that's 5 amazing gadgets under $50. They might be small, but each one solves a real daily problem. Whether it's making your desk more comfortable, upgrading your old tech, or keeping your gear clean. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments down below. I love hearing your picks. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. And hit the bell so you don't miss future Budget Tech roundups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.